Alright, let's do a technical review of Dogecoin, and I'd like to do a multi-time frame analysis, and we're starting off here with a weekly chart. On the weekly chart we can kind of gauge how far some of these moves have been, and I was just looking at a minute ago, and this move here was about 40 cents, and the move that we're in now, uh, 40 cents would have been up here at about 77 cents, which seems to be where it's struggling now. 75, actually about 75 cents. So let's see, we went from 37 cents. So up near 77 cents would be a 40-cent move for the current move. We look at this one here, how far it sold off. Big volatility here. We erased about 3/4 of this candle, and then we bounced pretty hard. So let's look at a daily chart. So in the daily chart, you can see that I have the Ichimoku indicator here. This is our Tenkan-sen line. When price is trending, it tends to react to this Tenkan-sen line, and the next reaction would be here at the Kijun-sen line, and we're pulling away. We've pulled away pretty far from our Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. So things are getting a little overextended, but right now we've got some pretty good momentum. So right here we can see the 75.6 area where we're struggling, right up in here. 4-hour charts are one of my favorites. We're following a trend. I was watching it when we came down and we were testing this Kijun-sen line here. We actually broke a bit below it before we got a nice reaction. So we are still in a pretty good uptrend here. In pullbacks, I would look for price to react to this Kijun-sen line, and we want to see the Tenkan-sen line stay above the Kijun-sen line. If we see price fall below both of these and these two moving averages cross, could be in for a bearish trend for a while. So right now things are looking pretty good. To track the momentum, if you're trading momentum and swing trading this, I like to come down to a 30-minute chart. Let's see, here we go. So on the 30-minute chart, we're looking for price to stay above this Kijun-sen line here and above the cloud. So this momentum we're in now kind of started right down in here, and we're reacting. We pull back and react to this Kijun-sen line, and right now we're testing it right here. So I'm looking for price to stay above this Kijun-sen line, and what I mean by stay above it is a candle may come down below it and then react back up. So be aware of that. But if you start seeing price trending below this line and these moving averages cross, then we could be rolling over in the short term. Let's see, like what we saw back in here. Here was our Kijun-sen line and Tenkan-sen. Price fell below them and the averages crossed. So right now we've been in a pretty good little momentum rally here. There's a lot of speculation about when this thing's going to sell off. So rather than speculate and try to guess what it's going to do, I just try to follow what the chart is telling me, and use my moving averages and my cloud here and the Ichimoku indicator. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this. Looking to take profits on my trade when it's time. Meanwhile, I'm riding the momentum here. All right. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum has been in a nice momentum rally. Looks like our buy opportunities have been, we broke below the cloud here. We bounced from the bottom of the cloud. This is a 30-minute chart. So really for longer term trading, I like the 4-hour chart. And we've got a really nice looking trend on the 4-hour chart here. If you see a pull back down here near the Kijinsen line, those have been buy opportunities. Look for the moving average orientation to stay just as it is with the blue line above the red here. Or depending on the chart you're using, these colors, you can set them up whatever your preference is. So right now we still have good uptrending momentum in Ethereum. Let's look at a quick Bitcoin chart. This isn't the chart that I prefer. Let's see here. I like this one. It says calculated by TradingView. So it looked like Bitcoin was in trouble. I'm kind of seeing this sort of a head and shoulders top thing going on here. So we've got this area of resistance to watch at about 60,000. Some of these peaks right here, here, and it looks like right now we may be testing that 60,000 area. Quite often when this turns bearish, other alternative coins can react as well. So this could be a momentum indicator, possibly a momentum indicator with some of our other coins, including Dogecoin or Ethereum. I'm kind of new to crypto. I look at the technicals here, but if this thing is going to react here again at 60,000 and take another U-turn, it could affect the other coins. So I would just be mindful of that. So definitely an area to watch here, 60,000, and we're getting close to that now. Let's see on a daily chart. It's a little bit more clear here. So on the daily chart, we are trying to get back above the cloud here. When price is trading within the cloud, that means indecision, and we're looking for a resolution of a confirmed breakout above the cloud or below for direction. We did have a break below the cloud here, and then a strong bounce up, reacted at the top. We've been struggling to get above the top. It looked like we were going to have a failed breakout here. We reacted at the bottom again. So this does indicate a bit of weakness in the trend. You can see that for the length of this big rally, we really didn't come down into the cloud. We stayed above the cloud for the whole rally here. And now we're doing this bit where so we want to see price break out above this cloud. We are getting a bearish twist over here. Cloud has turned red, but it looks like it's trying to go back and twist again to turn green again. So this is kind of an important area to watch right here, where we have our flat Kijinsen line and the flat top of this cloud right here at about 55.9. A close below this area here, this little flat area in the bottom of this cloud. A daily candle close below 54 could spark another big sell-off. So yeah, right now I'm just seeing this resistance at 60,000. So that's your area to watch on Bitcoin there. All right, that's it for now.